दीप जगाए। ओ घर घर में हो सच्ची दिवाली, घर घर में हो सच्ची दिवाली, ज्ञान प्रकाश फैलाए, आत्म दीप जगाए। ओ आत्म दीप जगाए, ओ आत्म दीप जगाए।
ओम शांति।
Om Shanti to you.
ओम शांति। अच्छा, आज तो सब खुशी खुशी में नाच रहे हैं।
Everyone is dancing in happiness today.
चारों तरफ सब कहते हैं दिवाली की मुबारक हो,
Everyone is
मुबारक
greeting
हो,
everybody
मुबारक हो।
for Diwali Day.
हाँ,
Greetings for Diwali.
दिवाली
Everybody
की
greeting
मुबारक।
each other.
हाँ,
Greetings to you too,
खास हम बाबा के बच्चों को
especially for us
हम एक दो
children.
को मुबारक दे रहे हैं।
We give greetings to each other.
क्यों हमारे जैसे खुश नसीब कोई
There is
नहीं।
no one so fortunate
नशा है ना?
as our souls. Do you have that intoxication?
हमारे
Yes.
जैसे खुश
We are so fortunate. There is no one as fortunate
खुशी
as
अपनी
us.
खुशी है,
Happiness
इसलिए
is our happiness.
ली नहीं है, एक भगवान से सदा खुश रहने की गिफ्ट मिल गई।
We have got the gift of remaining happy all the time from the Father, from God. God is. We have got, we have attained God.
5 बातें भगवान से मिली है।
We have received 5 things from the Father to remain happy all the time.
खुश रहना है ना, बस और कुछ नहीं चाहिए।
Nothing else I need, only to remain happy. I just have to be happy.
मुझे खुश रहना।
I must remain happy.
बस और कुछ नहीं।
Nothing else is needed.
आप मिले हो तब
I-
क्या चाहिए?
I got you, Baba, and nothing else I need.
5 बातें छूट जाती है
There are 5 things that
जो आज वरदान में है।
just go away, that come in the blessings.
वरदान में 4 है।
Weaknesses,
कमी कमजोरी।
weaknesses, first thing that go
कुछ भी
away.
कमी है, कमजोरी है, कोमलता है, निर्बलता है।
And then if you're delicate, that thing
कोमल
also,
रहना निर्बल का है।
that's a sign of
ये चली जाए,
weakness. Delicate, being delicate also is being a sign of being weak. That also goes away.
और किसकी कमी नहीं, मेरी कमी है।
My weakness, not others, my weakness goes away if I remain
अपनी
happy.
कमी खुद को नजर आए ना।
If you look at your happiness and if you are able to see your happiness, your weakness,
कमी को देखते हैं ना, दुख होता है।
if others see my weakness, I feel sorrow. But if I look at my weakness,
और क्यों देखते हैं?
why should others look
और हम
at my
अपनी कमी
weakness?
आप देखें ना तो
If you look at your own weakness,
मेरे में क्या कमी है?
what
दिवाली का दिन
weakness
है
do
ना,
I have?
सारी
Today is the day
कमी
of
कमजोरी।
Diwali.
वैसे ये कल करना चाहिए था। अब
Actually,
क्या करते,
yesterday was
मटके
the
में
day
रख
you
देते
should
हैं।
have got rid of all your
भाई
weaknesses and
हमारे बड़े भाई
shortcomings.
को जगह मिलेंगे कहाँ? दूर बैठेंगे क्या?
That is asking some souls to come forward. There is no space.
बिठाओ बिठाओ, जगह दो। यहाँ कुर्सी डाल दो, कुर्सी डाल दो। और भी दे दो। तो एक
One thing,
मैं तो कहेंगी हमारे में पर्सनल कोई कमी न रहे।
there shouldn't be any personal weakness remaining in us. Oh, Baba, there's no weakness in us should
आत्मा
remain.
को रियलाइज कराया है तो
Because
आत्मा
Baba has made us realize that we are souls.
कितनी अच्छी बात है।
Such a lovely thing it is.
किसी ने नहीं बताया तुम आत्मा है,
You're a soul.
रियलाइजेशन हुई है मैं
We
आत्मा
realized
हूँ।
I'm a soul.
आत्मा क्या है? आत्मा में
What is
कैसे
the soul?
84 का चक्र,
How the soul has
बाबा
the
ने कहा
84
84
births
के
part
चक्कर को
recorded
जानने
or
वाला
fixed or not.
चक्रवर्ती बन जाता है।
If you knew the cycle of 84
ऊँची
births,
चली
you
जाती
become
है।
the ruler of the globe. So much of happiness and
कमी
intoxication has
होगी
been
ऊपर जा नहीं
created.
सकेंगे।
But if you have weakness, you cannot be
कमजोरी होगी
intoxicated
तो
and
सांस
remain
चलेगा।
happy.
हिम्मत कम हो जाएंगे।
If you have weakness, you will have less courage and strength.
कमी होगी तो चलने का
If you have a weakness,
जरूरत नहीं लगेगी,
you will feel that you
कमजोरी
don't have
होंगी
to
तो
move
हिम्मत नहीं
forward.
होगी।
You won't have courage.
और निर्बलता होगी तो क्या
And if you're delicate, if you have no courage and strength, and then what happens?
तो हमेशा इसमें फिर हम कहती है एक चाहिए बल,
You need a
दूसरी चाहिए
strength.
शक्ति,
You
फिर
need
मिलती है
power,
एनर्जी।
energy.
बल
Then you
निर्बल
need, you
को
get the
बल
energy.
चाहिए,
The ones who are weak need strength.
निर्बल आत्मा को बल चाहिए।
The one who is
दादा
weak
ठीक
needs
है?
strength. Is
निर्बल
okay?
को बल चाहिए,
That is asking
फिर
Tata.
शक्ति अच्छा बनने की चाहिए, उसको फिर बाबा की एनर्जी मिलती है।
Baba gives energy.
वंडरफुल,
It's wonderful how you can
जैसे
absorb that energy
शक्ति
from
है ना,
Baba,
तो एनर्जी जमा होती जा रही है।
and you can accumulate
मैंने
energy from
सखी
Baba.
ऐसे किसको कहा,
Daddy said, she
ये
said
इतना
someone,
अक्ल आजकल होना चाहिए, इतनी कमाई, इतनी एनर्जी खर्चा नहीं है,
you should
बढ़ती
accumulate
जा
so
रही है,
much.
जमा होती जा
You
रही
should
है।
continue to accumulate your energy and not use
आज
it.
तो लाओ ना,
Yes,
समझते हो ना?
you have to not
एनर्जी
use
इतनी
your
हो,
energy. So much of
बस
it.
मेरे में एनर्जी नहीं है, अभी मैं तो छोड़ बस बहुत काम कर लिया है ना।
You should
क्या
have so
स्वाद
much of
है?
energy. You shouldn't feel
फिर
that
क्या
you
है?
have lost that energy, or
निर्बल
you're
आत्मा।
tired or weak or become weak.
कभी भूल से आंसू आया थकावट के कारण,
You're tired, no tiredness
किसी भी
too.
थके, काम करके थके या स्वभाव से थके,
You're working, you're tired. No, not that
थकावट के
way.
कारण एक तो काम करते काम में लिप्त हो जाते हैं, टू मच है, टू मच है,
Too much
करते भी
work.
हैं,
They do a lot,
नहीं
and
करो
then
ना।
if you're not,
जितना हो सके
then
उतना
don't do
करो,
it.
नहीं
Don't do
करता भी
so
है,
much
करता
that
भी
you
है,
become tired and then energy
थकता
goes
भी है।
away.
ऐसे काम नहीं करना।
Don't do such a job that will make you so
आज
tired.
टायरलेस, मैं इंग्लिश बोलती हूँ इस पे, टायरलेस रहने की,
To remain tireless, that is
सदा
it.
खुशनुमा रहने की,
To remain happy all the
बाबा
time.
से गिफ्ट ले लो।
Take the gift today from Baba to remain tireless, to remain happy all the time.
न किसी का स्वभाव की, संस्कार की, किसकी बात भी नहीं।
Don't
खुद को
pay
समझा,
attention to
भगवान
others'
को समझा,
sanskars
सबको
and
समझा।
matter and nature. You have understood God, you have understood
समझा?
everything and
खुद को
everyone.
समझा,
You have understood
भगवान
yourself,
ने समझाया तुमको खुद क्या है।
and you have understood
भगवान
yourself.
को
God has
समझा।
explained to you us, and
अरे
also you have
भगवान कौन है?
understood
मैंने
God.
समझा भगवान कौन है, मैं
Who is
जानती हूँ।
God? I knew, I have understood
कैसा
that.
है, क्या करता है,
What is He? What does He do?
कब करता है,
When does He do? What does He do? And how
कैसे
does He
सारी दुनिया
do?
को बदलता है।
How does He transform the whole world? Everything is in my awareness
भगवान
now.
को जाना, फिर एक तो को जान गई है।
I've understood
अच्छी
God,
तरह
I've
से
understood
जान गए।
each other,
जो सभा में बैठे हैं,
everyone
हमको नहीं
I've
जानते
understood.
हैं। मैं नहीं जानती हूँ,
That He says, don't I
जान
understand?
करके मिल करके चलते हैं,
Okay, we understand everyone and accordingly we move.
जानते हैं,
and
फिर मिल
deal
करके
with
चलते
everyone.
हैं। तो आज स्नेह मिलन बना रहे हैं,
So we're having a beautiful, loveful meeting with each other.
एक दो को समझ रहे हैं ना,
We
मैं कौन हूँ,
understand each
आप
other.
कौन है, आपका
We
विशेष
understand
पाठ
who I
है।
am, who others are.
सो भी हर बाबा के बच्चे को जिसको बाबा ने चुन लिया है,
Baba has
जिसने
selected each and
बाबा
every
कहना शुरू
child.
कर दिया ना,
And everyone, and the ones
उसका
who
विशेष पाठ है।
start saying Baba, they have a special role.
पहले बोले ओम शांति, अच्छा।
First of all, Om
आजकल
Shanti,
प्लेन में
that's
जाती
been
हूँ,
told.
ट्रेन में जाती है, और ट्रेन में जाती नहीं हूँ, कहीं भी जाती हूँ, समझ जाते हैं ये ओम शांति वाली है।
Where that occurs, she says that everyone understands she
बोल
belongs to
देते
the
हैं,
Om Shanti, and they just say Om Shanti to her.
समझ गए हैं,
They have understood that Om
तो ओम
Shanti is the
शांति
way
तो
they greet.
समझ गए।
They have understood Om Shanti. People,
लंदन में जब पहले पहले
In the
प्रदर्शनी
London,
ओलंपिया में की थी,
the
तो
first
मैंने कहा सब
exhibition
ओम
that was
शांति
held,
समझ जाओ ये सर
first of all, Om Shanti was
बनाए थे, ओम शांति, ओम शांति।
explained and understood by everyone.
Baba
Everyone
कहे।
used to say Om Shanti. Now they
जो
should say
बाबा
Baba.
कहेगा ना, समझा भी,
Oh, and when they start saying
मेरा
Baba, oh
बाबा
well,
है।
it's my
आप क्या
Baba.
कहेंगे?
Then what would you
फिर
say?
बाबा,
They should come to that stage. Not
Mera
only
Baba.
Baba, but you should say my Baba. That awareness should be
Meetha
in
Baba.
everyone. Sweet Baba,
प्यारा बाबा,
loveful Baba.
कौन कहते हैं?
Who says that?
मेरा बाबा, बोलो, मेरा बाबा,
Say that now. Daddy wants us to repeat. My
प्यारा
Baba,
बाबा, प्यारा है, बहुत प्यार करता है।
loveful Baba, sweet
मीठा
Baba.
शुक्रिया बाबा।
Shukriya, thank you, Baba.
क्या बताऊं बाबा आपको?
What to
किस
tell you,
शब्दों में
Baba?
बोलूं?
In which
बाबा,
words should I express
बाबा कहता है,
myself?
मैं तुम सब मीठा बनो।
Oh, just become
आज बाबा ने
sweet.
कहा, और
That's
कुछ
all.
न करो, मीठा
Nothing else do, nothing else except become sweet.
आज से लेकर के
From today onwards,
ये मीठा बोलना है मुझे। तब तो
Talk
सुबह से
sweetly.
मीठा टोली खिलाई, अभी भी मीठा इतना मिलेगा,
you will get so much of toli to eat, sweet to eat.
कहेंगे कैसे खाए,
How to eat, you may be thinking
मीठा
out to
इतना
how,
कैसे खाए,
how much
रख
can you
देना,
eat.
ऐसा है रख देना, थोड़ा थोड़ा खाना,
You have to eat a little bit.
मीठा बनना है।
You have to be sweet.
कोई करवा बोले ना,
If anyone says bitter words,
आप उसको मीठा बना दो।
make them sweet. You have to
हमने किया
transform,
है।
make them sweet. They may speak bitter
संत
words.
बाबा ने सिखाया है,
Baba has taught us that way.
करवे बोलने वाले को मीठा बोलना सिखाया।
Baba taught the bitters,
थकते नहीं करवे बोलने
the ones who
वाले
spoke
से।
bitter words.
करवा ऐसे
Baba taught them out on how to be sweet.
मीठा बोलते 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 मीठा बन गया।
And the ones who used
सब
to
कहिए
speak
कैसे मीठा बोलते हो?
bitter was so
जैसे
much
तुम बोले वो बोले वैसे तुम बोलेंगे
transformed
तो वो
and
बोलेंगे।
start speaking sweet words. You speak sweet words, then others also will transform the bitter
तो
words.
हमारे को मीठा बनना
We
है।
have to be sweet.
और मीठा कौन बनेगा?
And who will be sweet?
जो
Sweet natured,
अंतर्मुखी
the
सदा
one who is
सुखी।
introverted. The one who is introverted is
बताती है।
always happy.
अंतर्मुखी सदा सुखी।
The one who is introverted.
बाहिर्मुखता में मुख से निकल जाता है।
If you are extroverted,
कान
you
सुन
can
लेती है,
say a few
आँख
words
देख लेती है।
that are not wanted, and you
चेहरा
just hear a few
ऐसा हो
words that
जाता
is not wanted, and even you see certain things that are really not wanted
अंतर्मुखता में
and not needed to do, or
अंतर ही अंदर है।
an
तो
introvert.
बाबा सुनाता है,
You
वही
will-
जीवन में लाता है। तो बाबा
Whatever
कहते
you
हैं,
hear
दीवानी
from
माना,
Baba,
दैवी गुणों
if
को
you are
धारण करना।
introverted, you will be able to churn and imbibe and follow what Baba wants us to,
लक्षणों को धारण करना,
and also
लक्षणों में संपन्न
imbibe the
बनना।
qualifications and become perfect and complete as
सच्ची
per Baba's
दिवाली।
hopes. This is the true Diwali.
हम बच्चे मनाते हैं,
We
पता है ना?
children celebrate the true Diwali in a true form.
क्यों मना रहे हैं?
Why are we celebrating this?
पहले तो साफ सुफ दिवाली में सफाई चाहिए। बिल्कुल
First of
सफाई,
all, we
सफाई,
need
सफाई,
cleanliness. Wherever you go, there is cleanliness. On the day of Diwali,
सफाई है ना, अच्छा लगता है।
so good when everything is so
थोड़ा भी
clean.
कूड़ा कचरा है ना,
Even if there's a
तो
bit
मच्छर
of
मक्खी
rubbish,
पैदा हो सकते हैं।
there'll be mosquitoes and flies.
मच्छर मक्खी,
The thoughts also like that.
मच्छर एक छोटा सा काटता है, एक मच्छर,
If a tiny mosquito bites, what happens?
दो भी नहीं होते हैं।
Not even two
मक्खी एक नहीं
mosquitoes.
होती है, मक्खियाँ थोड़ा जल्दी।
There may be many flies, but if one mosquito bites, what
और
happens?
मच्छर एक भी हैरान करता है,
It disturbs, right?
छोड़ेगा नहीं,
It
घूमता
won't
रहेगा,
leave.
घूमता
The
रहेगा।
mosquito will
तो
continue to
संकल्प
roam
एक
about.
मच्छर के मुआफिक अंदर
That's
कहाँ से
inside.
पैदा हुआ?
What
सफाई
happens?
नहीं थी।
The mosquitoes go on inside. That he says there's no cleanliness then in the mind.
बड़ी संभाल करते हैं।
You have
हमको वहाँ पत्र में किसी ने लिखा, संभल के आना, यहाँ मच्छर है, मुझे
To
को
be
काटेंगे
careful.
नहीं। डरो मत। हाँ,
not to be afraid. Be
सफाई
clean.
रखना जो जानता है
The
ना,
ones who know how to keep clean, or be clean.
तो सफाई रखेंगे तो कोई व्यर्थ
No, no
संकल्प
waste.
अंदर काटेगा नहीं,
No
काटता
waste
तो फूल
thoughts will
जाता है,
cut, like the mosquitoes
पता
cut
चल जाता है।
a bite.
तो ऐसी ऐसी मीठी मीठी बातें फॉर एवर अपने आप को स्वच्छ सच्चा हीरे, फिर पहले स्वच्छ सच्चा सोना
So you need to become like
Vedadi
real
Hira.
gold and also flawless diamond. Sorry for the interruption.
साफ ऐसा हो,
You have to be clean in such a
glass
way
साफ ना हो पानी अच्छा हो
If
तो
the
पिएंगे।
glass is not clean, will you drink the water from that glass?
गिलास अच्छा हो पानी अच्छा ना हो पिएंगे।
If the glass is not good and if you have good water, even then you wouldn't
कम से
drink.
कम गिलास भी अच्छा हो पानी भी अच्छा।
At least the glass must be good also, the water
अंदर
should be
बाहर
good.
साफ हो।
You have to be clean internally and externally.
तो संबंध में व्यवहार में
So in your relationships,
अंदर बाहर साफ हेल्दी बन
when you
जाए।
come in contact with others, you remain healthy. That's because you remain pure and clean in your behavior and in your relationships. Also, you
जरा भी
become
अल्लाह
clean
नहीं।
and true, and there shouldn't be even a trace of
सच्चा
alloy.
सोना। बाबा कहते हैं, योग लगाओ सच्चा सोना
Baba
बनने के लिए।
says you have to have yoga in order to become true gold.
कोई नहीं कि पता नहीं कितनी कैरेट का पता नहीं अरे नहीं नहीं ये सच्चा सोना है।
It's not that,
देख
okay,
लिया।
maybe some of the other flaws may be in this one.
बाबा
No,
खुद
you should
कहता है,
become in
बच्ची
such a
बहुत
way
सच्ची सोनी, सच्ची
that
है, सच्ची
there should be no flaws at all, no alloy at all,
परिवार
and
भी
a
कहे, ये सच्ची है,
true
सच्ची
gold. Even the whole family, Brahmin family, should say, yes,
बोलने
this one is
में,
true.
चलने में,
In your words,
व्यवहार में,
in your
संबंध में,
actions, in your relationships, in your contacts, you have to
फिर
remain
हीरे
true.
जैसा बनना है,
Also, you have to become like a diamond.
डबल हीरो।
You have to become a double
हीरे
hero.
जैसा बनना है, हीरो पार्टदारी है।
So you have to become like a diamond and you have to play a hero part.
वंडरफुल ड्रामा में हम बच्चों का
In
पार्ट
this
है।
wonderful drama, you have to
हर एक का
play a wonderful
हर एक
part.
देखे मेरा हीरो पार्ट।
Each one should look at yourself. Am I playing the hero part?
पार्टदारी क्या करता है?
So what does an hero actor do?
अटेंशन बहुत बहुत
He has lot of attention towards the self.
डायरेक्टर के जो डायरेक्शन है ना,
And he always accurately follows the directions of the director.
वो सबको अच्छा है, सब कर रहे हैं।
And he is good to everyone.
पर अपने हीरो जहाँ
All are
मेरी ज़रूरत
doing,
है,
but wherever I am needed,
मिस
I am
नहीं करना।
present. They will not miss anything because they're just present wherever they are needed.
हीरो
And they are the ones who play the hero
जहाँ तहाँ
part.
तो दिखाई पड़ता है।
So you can see that he is
छोटा सा
present
part नहीं
everywhere. It's not that he's playing a small part, but he has got the hero part to play because Baba said that all of you are world benefactors and all of you are the uplifters of every soul.
ऐसे नहीं एक
It's not that
देश के कल्याणकारी है।
you just have to uplift your own country, but wherever you are,
पर बाबा ने विश्व कल्याणकारी
Baba has made you the world benefactors. The whole world belongs to you. The whole universe belongs to you, and you have a very big, generous heart and a true heart, merciful heart, big heart. Just look at your heart. Is it true,
रहम दिल
merciful,
बड़ी दिल।
and a big heart, generous heart? Do you have these things? Just check. Is it okay? Yes.
ये पर मृत्यु जय भाई है, करुणा
All
भाई
the senior brothers are sitting here,
सामने बैठ रहे।
and they should sit in the front. The senior brothers, they're sitting onto the side, and that's why Dad is saying them.
ये बाबा के घर के सब सिंगार बैठे
So all of you are the decoration of Baba's family.
बाबा कहते हैं ये बच्चे
Baba
मेरे
says,
घर का सिंगार
all of you children are my decoration. All of you are welcome to God's home.
रहती है।
So this one is constantly smiling. Yo, bring your chair closer. Yes, yes. One of the sister that is telling her,
मीठे बच्चे
sweet children.
ये भी वंडरफुल बैठ है।
Even the sister is very wonderful. The one who's
छोटी सी
sitting on the
सदा
chair,
मुस्कुराती है।
she's constantly smiling. The one on the wheelchair, that is telling her speciality that she's constantly smiling. The one onto the sister's side,
तुम जानते
right at the
हो,
end. So now back to the Murali. So all of you know
सभी आत्माएं बेहद बाप से पढ़ेंगे नहीं।
it's not that all the souls will study with the unlimited Father.
लेकिन साथ में जरूर
However,
जाएंगे।
they will all definitely go back with him.
मैं अंदर की बात मैंने गुरुदास दादी को सुनाया है। हम ये देखने चाहती हूँ, आप ही समझो, सब आत्माएं जब ऊपर जाए ना, बाबा बाबा करती जाए।
When all the souls go
पता तो
up
होगा।
above, they should say Baba and
जाना
Papa.
फिर अभी जा रहे हैं, पाठ पूरा हो गया, जा रहे हैं, पाठ पूरा हो गया।
Everyone's part is over and
समझते हो
everyone will go
करुणा?
back home.
कम से कम बाबा ऊपर से आता है
When Baba comes from up above,
और सब आत्माएं नीचे चली आएगी, तब बाबा दरवाजा खोलेगा
when Baba will open the
और
doors,
सब आत्माओं को ये पता चले नाटक में पाठ पूरा हुआ, भगवान आया
And all the
वो
souls in the
लेके
world
जा
will come
रहा
to
है।
know that God has come and God
भले पीछे पीछे बारात
taking
में
back all
आवे,
the souls back.
लेकिन नाटक में
They'll
भाग
come in the
पूरा हो जा रहे
procession.
हैं।
All the souls
भगवान
have
कोई
played their
कहेगा
part
नहीं
and they
तुमने
go back
भूल किया,
home.
तुमने ये क्यों किया, ये क्यों किया, ये क्यों किया, कुछ नहीं कहता है।
It's
भगवान
not that
ऐसा है,
God is
ले जाने के समय किसको
at the
कुछ नहीं
time of
कहता
taking
है।
us back. He doesn't say
तुमने
anything to
क्या किया,
anyone.
तुमने ये क्यों किया,
Why did you do this? Or
जो किया
whatever you did.
चलो घर पे जाइए।
Well, it's okay. Now it's time to go back home. So Baba takes all the souls
हमको
back
बताता
home.
है तुमको क्या करने का है,
And Baba tells us what to do.
पर हमको भी कहेंगे नहीं आखिर क्यों किया।
Baba
पापा ने
will not.
बताया
Baba has
तुमने जो पुरुषार्थ किया,
whatever effort you have
क्यों
made.
भगवान नहीं कहेगा।
Why will God not tell us anything?
जिसने
In the
जो
end,
प्रारब्ध बनाई, जो पुरुषार्थ किया,
whatever efforts anyone has,
मेरे ज्ञान न सुने ना,
made,
बाबा तो कहे ना,
the reward will be
ध्यान तो जा रहे,
received.
ये भी जा रहे, हम भी जा रहे, जा रहे,
We are
जा
all
रहे।
going anyway up above
Okay?
in the end.
किसको कहो नहीं तुम क्यों करता है, क्यों करता है।
If you tell
बाबा ही नहीं कहते,
anyone,
तुम क्या को कहते हैं।
if you tell anyone why are you doing this, it should not be like this.
इस तरह थोड़ा
Baba says
सीखेंगे ना।
that he says don't have to tell them that. Even Baba doesn't tell.
बेहद बाप से पढ़ेंगे नहीं, लेकिन साथ में जरूर भाई ये उल्टा है, मुझे इस तरफ से दो। पर्सन
The question of today is
चक्रवर्ती राजा
Murli.
बनने वाले,
The question of today is
चक्रवर्ती
Murli.
राजा बनने वाले बच्चों को
What do the
इस
children?
बात का बहुत कदर रहता
What
है।
do the children who are going to become the rulers of the globe value the most?
उत्तर।
The question I repeat. What
उन्हें
do the
पढ़ाई का
children who
कदर
are going to
बहुत
become
होगा।
the rulers of the world value the most?
कहाँ भी रहते,
They
पढ़ाई
value
जरूर
the study
पढ़ेंगे।
the most. Wherever they may be sitting, they definitely
साथ
study
साथ
together,
मित्र संबंधों से तो निभाते,
together with
याद में
fulfilling the
रहने का अभ्यास
responsibilities
करेंगे।
to their friends and relatives. They
अटैचमेंट नहीं
practice
होगी किसके साथ,
staying in remembrance
तो
and they
निभाएंगे।
give everyone the message.
और याद में रहने का अभ्यास करेंगे
They,
और सबको यही पैगाम देंगे।
they will also give
बाप
everyone
को
the
याद करो
message.
तो
Remember the
शांति
Father,
धाम सुख धाम में
and then
चले
you will go
जाएंगे।
to the land of peace and land
ऐसा
of
श्रीमत
happiness.
पर
It's only
पूरा
the children.
पूरा चलने वाले बच्चे ही
It's only the children who follow these elevated
चक्रवर्ती
directions
बनते हैं।
fully will become the rulers of the globe.
ओम शांति।
हमारे बीच
In our midst,
अवश्य दादी जी नहीं है,
Dadi ji is not
प्रत्यक्ष रूप में
present
नहीं है, लेकिन
in a
परोक्ष
revealed
रूप में
way,
तो
but she's
हम
still
सबके
there.
बीच में ही
She's
है।
there in
दादी
this
जी
subtle
आज
way.
याद कर रहे होंगे
Dadi ji
मधुबन के इस
would
ओम
also be
शांति भवन।
remembering this
अभी
Om
हम
Shanti Bhavan
सब
of
पहले
Madhuban.
बाबा को भोग
So first of
लगाएंगे
all of us
और
will
उसके
offer
बाद
bhog to Baba, and
संदेश
after
भी
that we
शशि
will
बहन सुनाएंगे
we will get a
और
message
फिर एक
through
छोटा
Shashi
सा
Ben,
कार्यक्रम
and
होगा।
then we have a small
और उसके
program,
बाद
small
सभी
cultural
को
program,
दादी जी अपने हस्तों से
then-
टोली बांटेगी।
and then
आज टोली भी
Dadi
विशेष है,
Janki
इसलिए
will give
सबको
toli to
टोली
each one
यहाँ ही
personally with
स्टेज
her
पर
own
मिलेगी।
hands. All of you
तो ये
will get the
कार्यक्रम
toli
फिर
from
भोग
the
के
stage,
बाद ही
and
बताएंगे।
that will
ओम
take place
शांति।
after
अभी
bhog.
सभी
So
बाबा
now
को याद करेंगे
let
और
us
हम
sit in the remembrance of
बाबा
Baba.
के साथ साथ
and
शशि
along.
बहन भोग लगाएंगी, हम भी उड़ते हुए वतन में
So-
पहुंचेंगे।
So together with Shashi Ben, we will also go on our wings to offer bhog to Baba.
हम देख रहे हैं कि जगह बहुत कम है।
I'm seeing
रवि
that
भाई अगर कुछ
the
कुर्सियां
space
यहाँ
is
लगा
less,
सको।
so if more chairs could be placed, it would be
यहाँ कुर्सियां दे रहे हैं।
more
We will
comfortable
get
for
chairs.
some.
Wait, huh?
So arrangements are being made to get more chairs so that all of you can sit comfortably.
आज
Today,
दिवाली के शुभ पावन दिवस पर
on this occasion of
मैं आप सबकी मीठी मीठी याद लेके
purity, the day of good
जैसे
wishes,
वतन में पहुंची,
taking your love and
वतन का
remembrances.
नज़ारा तो
As soon as I reached the subtle regions,
बहुत ही
then
सुंदर लग रहा था.
the scene that I saw in the
और
subtle regions
चारों ही
was
तरफ
extremely beautiful.
बहुत
All over,
लाइट्स
there were multicolored
और
lights,
लाइट्स के साथ साथ
and together with that,
कुछ इस प्रकार के अमूल्य रत्न लगे हुए थे
there were some priceless jewels
जहाँ से
hanging through which
ऑटोमेटिकली लाइट क्रॉस करती ही
the light
बहुत
would
सुंदर
come and cross.
स्वरूप दिखाई दे रहा था.
It was indeed a very beautiful
कुछ समय के
scene.
लिए तो मैं
For a short period of
उस
time,
दृश्य को देख रही हूँ
I continued to see that
और
scene,
देखते ही देखते
and whilst I was
मैं
looking
संकल्प
at it,
करती हूँ
I had the thought
कि आज तो
that
वतन की शोभा तो बहुत निराली है,
today's
बहुत प्यारी लग रही है.
decorations and the
इसी
beauty of
second
the
ही
subtle regions was
मैं
indeed
देखती
unique.
हूँ कि
Then
बाबा
I
दूर
see
से
that Baba
और बाबा भी सजे सजाए
Baba is coming from a distance. He
विष्णु
too
महाराजन के रूप में
is decorated
सामने से दिखाई दी.
in the form of the world
तो
emperor.
मुझे भी बहुत अच्छा लगा कि आज बाबा
Then I
को
also liked this
एक
very
विष्णु महाराजन के रूप
that
में
I
देख रही
saw
हूँ.
Baba in the form
तो
of
जैसे
a
ही
world
बाबा मेरे नज़दीक
emperor.
आए,
So as soon as
तो
Baba
क्या
came
देखती
close
हूँ
to
कि
me,
बाबा अकेले
then what
नहीं
is
हैं.
it that I see? I
बाबा
see
के
that he is
साथ
not alone, but
महालक्ष्मी
with him there
और
is
अन्य भी
Mahalakshmi and
देवी देवता स्वरूप
and
एक बहुत सुंदर
and
सा
all other
ग्रुप था
deities. There was
जो
a group
सामने
of
आते
them
ही
who came
और
in
बहुत
front,
अच्छा लग रहा है.
and it was
तो
looking
बाबा
very
मुझे
good.
देख रहे हैं
Baba
और
was
मैं भी
looking
इस
at
दृश्य
me,
को देख रही
and
हूँ.
I was also looking at that
तो बाबा ने
scene.
कहा कि
Then Baba said,
चलो
"Come,
अभी बाबा आपको ले चलते हैं.
now Baba will take
तो
you."
जैसे जैसे बाबा हैं,
somewhere.
बाबा के साथ
And then,
अन्य देवी देवताएं सजे हुए रूप में हैं.
so together with
और हम जैसे आगे बढ़ते हैं,
Baba and all the
तो आगे
deities
जाते
who were
जाते
and as we progress, we see a
बहुत
palace
सुंदर
studded with priceless jewels,
और बहुत
and
निराली
every
दिखाई
object
दे
in
रही
it
है.
appeared.
और उसमें
unique.
नेचुरल डेकोरेशन है.
There were natural decorations,
नहीं दिखाई दे रहा है.
not that they were artificial decorations, but they were automatically sparkling and glittering with that. So as we were going, that scene was extremely beautiful. And then as we progress and move ahead, then I see that there is Baba, and then Baba opened his palm, and then gradually everyone started going up. And as everyone lifts up, a globe comes beneath it. And then Baba, Mahalakshmi and all the other deities, they stand on that globe. There. So once they stand on that globe, the globe starts revolving, spinning. And as it spins, all the deities give drishti to the whole world. So there is a shower of petals from the skies. It seems as that there is the shower of petals, greenery appears, and somewhere people are dancing in great happiness, and some devotees were opening their aprons and said, "Please fill our aprons." So this is what some were opening with their, some were standing with their open palms of the hand, asking, and this scene was looking so beautiful. And as soon as this scene came to an end, then what do I see? I see that there is Baba, and then there is me. Then Baba asked me, "What news have you brought? I said, Baba, today
सभी भाई बहनें,
all the brothers and sisters,
सर्वदादियाँ,
all the
सभी
dadis,
भाई बहनें, डबल
all the
विदेशी
brothers
भाई
and
बहनें,
sisters, double foreigners,
आज तो
brothers
आपको
and
बहुत
sisters,
याद कर रहे हैं।
they are remembering you a
इन
lot.
सब ने
And
बहुत याद भी दी हैं,
they have all
और
sent
आप
their
सबको
remembrances
बहुत ऐसे
and-
स्नेह से ही
and
बहुत याद दी है।
and have also
जैसे मैंने
sent
बाबा
a
को
lot of
कहा,
love.
तो
Then
बाबा
as soon
की
as I said that,
आंखों में
Baba
स्नेह का स्वरूप था।
Baba became the
बाबा ने
embodiment
कहा
of
कि
love. And
आज
he
बाबा
said
बच्चों को
that today Baba,
स्नेह के साथ साथ
together with
सभी
love,
बच्चों को पहले से ही वतन में
he
इमर्ज करके
he had already immersed all the children in the subtle regions in their
आज बाबा
perfect
बच्चों
form.
को देख रहे
And
थे।
Baba was looking at each
और
child
उनका
in his or
संपूर्ण
her
स्वरूप
perfect
क्या है?
form. Now, what is that
आज बाबा
perfect
ने
form?
वैसा ही हर एक को
And
बना
Baba
दिया।
showed each
तो
child
बाबा ने
like
कहा
that.
कि
Then
हर एक
Baba
बच्चे को
said,
कहना वो अपने आप
Say
से
to
पूछे
each child, let
कि
each
आज
child
उन्हें अपने
ask
संपूर्ण
himself
स्वरूप का अनुभव है या नहीं?
that did they get the experience
और
of their
संपूर्ण
perfect form
स्वरूप में
or did they not?
किस प्रकार से
And
बाबा बच्चों को
in there,
बनाते हैं
and how does
और
Baba
कैसा रूप
make
है?
children
तो आज
perfect?
बच्चों को यही कहना
What is that
कि
perfect
सारे
form?
दिन में
So
अपने
mention this to
संपूर्ण
the
स्वरूप
children
के अंदर
that all day
टिक
long
करके
today remain
वो
stable in your
अनुभव
perfect
करें।
form and
तो
experience
ऐसा
that,
महसूस करेंगे
then they
कि
will
हम
experience
बाप के साथ
that they are
दिवाली
with the
भी मना
Father
रहे हैं
and they're celebrating
और
Diwali with
सारे
the
विश्व
Father
में
and
दिवाली मना रहे हैं
and
और
also
अपने
celebrating
भक्तों को
Diwali in the
सारे
whole
दिवाली
world and
करा
granting the
रहे हैं।
vision to their
इतने
devotees.
दृश्य में क्या देखती
Then
हूँ,
as I was
तो
seeing
बाबा ने
this,
आप
then
सबको
Baba
immerse किया,
immersed
वही
all of you
साक्षात्कार रूप दिखाया।
and showed
तो बाबा ने कहा
that
कि जैसे
vision of
बच्चे
your perfect
वतन
form.
में पहुंचते
So,
हैं,
so
तो
when
उस समय
children
आपको
reach the
कैसे
subtle
रूप हो
regions,
जाता
see
है।
what is your
तो बाबा
form
ने कहा
at
कि
that
देख
time.
रही हो?
So
मैंने
now
कहा,
you
हाँ
see,
बाबा। तो
Baba
बाबा
asked
ने
me,
कहा
are you
कि
seeing
ये
their
सब बच्चे
perfect
जब
form?
वतन में
I
पहुंचते
said,
हैं,
yes, Baba.
तो अपने ही
Then,
संपूर्ण स्वरूप
So
में
see, when the
बन
children
जाते हैं।
come to the subtle regions,
लेकिन
they
जैसे
become
नीचे
complete.
उतरते हैं,
But when they
तो स्वरूप
come
को
down,
भूल जाते
they
हैं।
forget their perfect
तो फिर
form.
तो बाबा ने कहा
And then
कि
Baba said,
आज दीपावली भी है,
today is Deepavali.
बच्चे दीप भी जला रहे हैं।
Children will be
मैंने
lighting the
कहा कि
lamps.
हाँ बाबा, आज
I
तो
said,
सबके
yes,
अंदर उमंग है
Baba,
कि हम दीप भी
everybody is so
जलाएंगे।
extremely
तो
enthusiastic
बाबा ने
that they will
कहा
light
कि
the lamps.
आज बाबा वतन
Then
में
Baba said
बच्चों को
that
बहुत
in the
सुंदर
subtle
दीपक
region,
देंगे।
that today
तो सभी बच्चे
Baba
थे,
will
तो बाबा
give
ने
the
कहा
children
कि
a
दीप।
very
तो
beautiful
सबने कहा, हाँ।
lamp
तो
in
बाबा
the
ने
subtle
ऐसे हाथ
regions.
किया,
Then Baba opened the
तो
palm of
ऐसे
his hand.
सुंदर सा दीपक
Then a
आता
very
है।
beautiful lamp or
और वो
deepak
दीपक इस
emerged.
प्रकार से था,
And it was
त्रिमूर्ति टाइप था।
it was as though it
बीच
was
में
a
बहुत बड़ा
Trimurti
दीपक था,
deepak,
और
Trimurti
फिर
lamp.
आगे 3 दीपक लगे हुए
In the
थे।
center there was
तो
one
बाबा
lamp
ने
and it was
कहा
surrounded
कि
by 3
आज
other
बाबा
smaller
बच्चों को
lamps. But it was
त्रिमूर्ति
the
का
whole
एक
piece was
दीपक
one.
देते हैं।
So today Baba
तो
said he
जैसे
would
ही
like
बाबा
to
ने वो
give
दीपक दिया,
a Trimurti
तो जो पीछे
deepak,
एक बड़ा था,
Trimurti
वो
lamp to
इतना
each
सुंदर, उसमें
child.
इतनी भिन्न-भिन्न प्रकार की
So
lights
this
automatically
Trimurti lamp
जल
was
रही
so
हैं,
beautiful.
और बहुत सुंदर
Different
उसमें से किरणें
multicolored
निकल रही
lights
हैं।
were
और उसके आगे जो
were
3
present
दीपक
in
थे,
that and different
तो बाबा ने
multicolored
कहा
rays were coming
कि
out from it.
ये देना
Then
सभी
Baba
बच्चों
said,
को,
go and give
और
this
बच्चों को
to
कहना कि
the
आज के
children
दिन
and say
कैसे दीपक जलाएंगे,
that how will they
वो
light the lamp?
ध्यान रखें।
They must pay
जैसे
attention to
बाबा ने
that.
दिया,
So as soon as
मेरे को
Baba
बोला कि
gave me
पहले
that
दीपक को
lamp,
देखो,
then
खोलो
he asked
इसको।
me, open this
और,
lamp and see
तो मैं
what
देख
is
रही
inside.
हूँ,
So I was
तो
looking
फिर और
at
भी
it.
बच्चे थे,
Then
बहुत
there were
सारे
many
थे,
other
तो बाबा
brothers
ने
and
कहा, सभी
sisters.
दीपक
Then Baba
उठा लो
said,
जिसको चाहिए,
okay, all
और
the
जलाओ।
children, let them
तो
pick up
सबने
this
उठाया,
lamp,
और जैसे
pick
ही
it
पहला
and
दीपक खोलते
and
हैं,
light it. So
तो
everybody
उसको
picked a lamp
जलाने लगते हैं,
and they try to light
देखते
it.
हैं,
And then they
कभी
see
जलता है, कभी
that
थोड़ा सा
sometimes it burns
जल नहीं
and
पाता।
sometimes it
तो बाबा
gets
ने कहा, फिर से
extinguished.
ध्यान से देखो।
Then Baba said, look
तो
at
फिर
it
उसमें लिखा
again.
हुआ था,
And then
बाप के स्नेह
it
की
was
लगन
visible.
में मगन।
So there was something that was
तो
written on the
उसमें
lamp,
लिखा
that
था कि
is,
बाबा ने कहा कि
that
पहला
those who
दीपक
are,
जो है,
the first lamp is
बाप
that
के
of,
स्नेह की लगन में,
that those
मगन
who
रहना।
are intoxicated
फिर
in the
दूसरा
love of the
दीपक जैसा
Father.
था,
And the second lamp was that lift this. And as soon as they lift that, sometimes it doesn't burn. Then Baba says, okay, the second lamp symbolizes remain stable on your seat. So remain stable on the seat of the lotus. And thirdly, Baba said, okay, burn the third lamp. And as the children tried to burn that lamp or light that lamp, it was written on that these are the children who are sitting on the Father's heart throne. So when the third lamp was lit, then what do I see? I say that each one has a throne and they're all sitting on that throne, and their form is extremely beautiful, and they change their form. And they're all the ones who grant visions. So Baba said that they are lighting the lamps, and the fourth lamp which was being seen, Baba said, it was written that constantly experience the company of the Father and make the Father your companion, and if you will do like that, then you will be able to experience all types of powers from the Father. You will get the rays of those powers. You will be stable in your original form. You will be the ones who will grant visions, and you will be stable and seated on your throne. So today Baba wishes that today children should celebrate the true, real Diwali. And if they will do like that, they will experience the company of the Father. So along with lighting the lamp of the soul, they should also light the other lamps. And then Baba remembered Dadiji, Dadi Janki, and he emerged all of them. And as soon as he emerged them, they were all standing in the form of a V shape. Baba gave them drishti, and together with that, Baba said, they are the victorious jewels of Baba. And the victorious jewels of Baba, they are inspiring others to become victorious, and through their blessings and through the powers, they are filling all the loveful souls, to the devotee souls, to all the Brahmin souls, and each one is looking at them as the world emperor and world empress. Then Baba called them close, and then each one's form turned or changed into a world emperor and world empress. So Baba said, see how they are granting the vision of this to each one. So Baba gives a lot of power to such children. After that, I offered bhog to Baba, and then I returned back. Okay? Om Shanti.
ओम शांति
Om Shanti.
बाबा का सुंदर संदेश
You listen to the beautiful message of Baba, and after this,
सभी वतन की यादों में तो खोई गए हैं
all of you must have been lost
पर इस साकार
in the
सृष्टि पर
remembrances of the subtle
हम
region
सब दीपावली मना
that
रहे हैं
we are all Diwali
जो
or
केवल
Deepavali
सतयुग की याद ही नहीं दिलाती
on this
लेकिन
planet,
संगम
in
युग
this
की भी याद
creation.
दिलाती।
This
और हमारे
festival of
बीच
Deepavali is also reminds
भुवनहार
of
विश्व महाराजन
the
महारानियां
confluence age and
उपस्थित
the
हैं।
would-be
दादियों को तो आप देख ही
emperors,
रहे हैं।
world emperors, and the
अब मैं
would-be
निवेदन
empresses
करूंगी
are present
हमारे
in front of
अन्य
us.
वरिष्ठ भाई
And
बहनों
now
को
I would request
कृपया
all our
वे
senior
भी
brothers
मंच पर आकर
and
आसीन हो
sisters
जाएं।
to come and
सबसे
be
पहले
and remain seated on their seats. are to come and
शशि बहन ने
take their seat.
कितना प्यार से बाबा
So
को
first
भोग
of all,
लगाया।
Shashi Bahan has offered
बहुत ही
Bhog
सुंदर
with great
दृश्य
love. It was a
अवलोकन
beautiful
किया।
scene. She described that
अब
scene
मैं
very
निवेदन
well.
करूंगी
Now I
चंद्रहास
would
दादा,
request
विश्वरतन दादा,
Brother Chandras,
करुणा भाई
Vishwaratan
कृपया आगे
Dada
का स्थान
and
ग्रहण
Karuna
करें।
Bhai, they should come and take their seat on
और
the stage,
साथ में
and together,
भोपाल भाई,
and
आतम प्रकाश
Brother
भाई
Bhopal,
शांतिवन,
Brother
Dr.
Atam Prakash,
मोहन
Shantivan,
सिंगल भाई,
Dr. Pratap,
मृत्युंजय भाई,
Mohan
ओम
Singhal,
प्रकाश
Mrityunjay
भाई,
Bhai. It was
आपने
left for
विस्तार
abroad.
किया।
See how you have
और
expanded
बाबा का
this
संदेश
yagya and given
पांचों
Baba's
ही
message
खंडों में
in all
पहुंचाया
the
है।
5 continents.
हमारे बीच डॉक्टर निर्मला आज नहीं पहुंचे हैं
Today,
क्योंकि
Dr. Nirmala has
खास
not come
आज 21 तारीख
because it is
दीपावली का दिन
21st
दादी जानकी ने डॉक्टर निर्मला को
because
सारे
Dadi
विदेश की
Janki
तरफ से बॉम्बे भेजा है।
has sent
तो हम डॉक्टर निर्मला
Dr.
को भी
Nirmala,
याद कर
Didi
रहे हैं।
Nirmala
मोहिनी
to
बहन
Mumbai.
न्यूयॉर्क को भी याद कर रहे हैं, लेकिन वो दिवाली
We're also
न्यूयॉर्क में
remembering
मना रही हैं
Sister
क्योंकि वहाँ
Mohini
भी
because
बहुत
she's
बड़ा प्रोग्राम
celebrating
है, इसलिए उन्हें
Diwali
भी हम मिस कर रहे हैं।
in New York.
हमारी
We're
प्यारी
also missing
दादी
them.
जी, मोहिनी बहन,
Our
मुन्नी बहन,
very
उनको
dear
तो हम मिस
Dadi
कर ही
Ji,
रहे हैं।
Mohini
लेकिन
Ben, we are
आज
missing
बॉम्बे
them.
में भी बहुत
But today in
भव्य
Mumbai,
प्रोग्राम रखा गया
also
है।
there's a big
सुबह के
program
समय भाईदास
in
हॉल में
in the
और
morning.
बहुत
There's
ही
a
सुंदर
hall
रूप
that
से
has been
कार्यक्रम
taken
वहाँ
called
चलेगा।
Bhai Das Hall,
तो हम
and a
सब
very
एक हैं,
large
एक ही
public
परिवार
program will
हैं,
take place.
एक
So
ही
we are one
हम अनुभव
family
करते हैं इस
and
संगम
we
युग
are
पर। खुशियों का ये
experiencing
त्योहार है,
this
दीपों
is
का
the
त्योहार है, और ऐसे मौके पर
the
हमारे
occasion of
बीच
happiness, it's the
मधुरवाणी
occasion of
ग्रुप
light and
से पहले मैं निवेदन करूंगी
and now I will
कि
request the Madhurvani group to
भोपाल भाई और गीता बहन
get
पहले
ready.
मृत्युंजय भाई और मोहन भाई, कृपया आप आकर के हमारे वरिष्ठ भाई बहनों का गुलदस्तों से स्वागत करें।
So Brother Mohan and Brother
अच्छा,
Mrityunjay
आप
Bhai.
पहले भोपाल भाई और गीता बहन,
So
कृपया
first of
आप आकर के हार पहनाएं हमारे वरिष्ठ भाई बहनों को। भोपाल भाई
So first of all, Brother
और
Bhopal
उसके
and
बाद
Sister
मृत्युंजय
Geeta will
भाई
be
और मोहन भाई
giving the garlands
गुलदस्ता
to
भेंट करेंगे।
and greet the
भोपाल
seniors.
भाई और गीता बहन, होवनहार विश्व महाराजन महारानियों का स्वागत।
So welcome to the would-be
हार के
world
द्वारा
emperors, world
वहाँ तो रतन
empresses.
जड़ित हार पहनेंगे,
And there you will have garlands full
विजय
of
माला
precious
का
jewels.
हार। तो आज हम
But today we are
एक
giving you
छोटे
the
से
garland
रूप
of
में देख रहे
being
हैं।
the victorious ones.
और फिर मृत्युंजय भाई को दे दो, फूल गुलदस्ते दे।
And now a bouquet will be
मृत्युंजय
offered.
भाई और मोहन भाई,
And now Brother Mrityunjay and Brother Mohan will present
मृत्युंजय
the
भाई, मोहन
bouquet of
भाई,
flowers.
कृपया आप सबको गुलदस्ता भेंट करेंगे। भोपाल भाई, गीता बहन हार पहना रहे हैं। हम सब करतल ध्वनि से स्वागत करते रहे।
So let us give them a hand.
Brother Neville, please come on the stage.
Brother Neville, you're also being invited on the stage.
अब हम सतीश भाई, भानु भाई,
And now we'll
तथा
listen
उनके
to
साथियों से निवेदन
Brother
करेंगे।
Satish,
सुंदर
Brother Bhanu,
दीपावली का गीत
and they'll
हमारे
present
सामने प्रस्तुत करें। ये
a Deepavali song for us.
लक्ष्मी के आवाहन का भी समय है।
This is the
दीपों
time
का भी
to
त्योहार है।
invoke Lakshmi.
और
It is a
साथ-साथ
festival
हमारी
of
रानियों
lamps.
का भी
And
अलौकिक
then
जन्मदिन,
this is
यज्ञ
also
का ही जन्म स्थान।
the
समय
birthday
फिर
of
से
our
करतल
daddy. So
ध्वनि
once
द्वारा
again, give them a
हम
hand.
सबका स्वागत कर रहे
Let
हैं।
us welcome them all.
सतीश भाई, भानु भाई और साथी अपना गीत प्रस्तुत करेंगे।
आज हम सबका जन्मदिन है।
Today it's the birthday
प्यारी
for all
दादी
of
भी
us.
हमारे साथ में है और दादियाँ साथ में है, पूरे यज्ञ का जन्मदिन है।
Our dear
और हम
Dadi
ऐसे
ji is with
चुपके से
us. In
बैठे
fact,
हैं,
it
जोरदार
is
तालियों
the
से
birthday
आज
of
के
all
दिन
our
का
daddies
आगाज
once
करते हैं।
again. Let us give them a hand.
दिवाली दादी जी को हम सबकी शुभकामनाएं
We give
और
our
संकल्प पहुंच
good
रहे हैं।
wishes
कोई
and
कार्ड्स के
greetings
द्वारा,
to
कोई
Dadi
email
ji
द्वारा,
through our
कोई
thoughts, through our
greetings लिख
cards,
रहे हैं।
through emails.
और
Some
वही
are
एक
still
चिट्ठी
writing the
दादी के नाम,
greetings. And
दादी क्षमा बन जलती रहो,
we
दादियों
write this
यूं ही
letter to
रोशन
Dadi
रहो,
ji.
यज्ञ को बढ़ाते रहो और यूं ही हम सब अपने
So we
मंजिल पर
request
पहुंचें।
our
प्यारे
dadis,
बाबा
all
से
of
मिलते
them,
रहें और
to
दिवालियों रोज मनाते
continue
रहें। ये दिन
to-
हर रोज आते रहें। हम गाते
to
रहें
show the
और
light to
दिवाली मनाते
everyone.
रहें दादियों के साथ।
Let
एक बार
us
जोरदार
continue
तालियों
to
से
sing
दादियों का हम
and
अभिनंदन
continue
करते हैं
to celebrate
और इस
Diwali
यज्ञ का
every day
जन्मदिन मनाते हैं।
and celebrate the birthday of this yagya.
सभी ने भेजा यही पया दिल की चिट्ठी तेरे नाम सभी ने भेजा
Everyone has given this
तेरे नाम क्षमा
has given this message. We have sent this letter in your name. Continue to remain light. Happy birthday, happy Diwali.
Happy happy Diwali, happy birthday to you, happy happy Diwali. खुशी के दीप जलाते हैं
We are lighting the lamps of happiness. We are giving the message from our heart.
सुनाते हैं झूम कर गाते दादी का बर्थडे हम मनाते
And we celebrate the birthday of daddies with great love. This is what the seasons have said. This is what the sun, moon and stars
सूरज चांद सितारों ने क्षमा तू जलते ही रहना
that the flame must continue to burn.
क्षमा तू जलते ही
The flame must continue to burn. And we must always be together.
दिवाली हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू हैप्पी बर्थडे दिवाली हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू हैप्पी हैप्पी दिवाली
So happy birthday, happy Diwali.
हैप्पी हैप्पी दिवाली जन्मदिन आज बाबा का
This is the birthday of Baba. It's also the birthday of Dadi.
आज दादी का जन्मदिन आज यज्ञ का
This is the birthday of Yagya. And it's the birthday for all of us.
जन्मदिन आज हम सबका सुना करते हैं अफसाने यही कहते
We have been listening to this, and this is what the moths are saying. And this is what we, the moths, are saying, that the flame must continue to burn and will have to and continue to be with us always. So, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Diwali.
हैप्पी हैप्पी दिवाली हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू हैप्पी दिवाली हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू हैप्पी हैप्पी दिवाली सागर में जितनी लहर बढ़े दादी
As
की उतनी
many
उम्र,
waves in the
उठे
ocean,
सागर में जितनी लहर
accordingly
बढ़े दादी
the
की उतनी उम्र, सूरज
Dadi's age should continue to increase.
चमक चढ़े
Should increase, like shine should, and with us. Happy Diwali.
प्लैटिनम जुबली आई
This is the Platinum Jubilee.
तो बाकी है प्लैटिनम जुबली आई है
This is the Platinum Jubilee. And a century still remains. The story is still incomplete. The story is still incomplete. There is still a distance in getting the 900,000. That the golden sun should arise and the flame must continue to burn. Till that time, the flame must continue to burn and to be with us all the time. Happy birthday, Daddy. Happy Diwali.
Happy happy Diwali, happy birthday to you. Happy happy Diwali, happy birthday to you. Happy happy Diwali. सभी ने भेजा यही प्यार.
Everybody has sent us this message. This is the letter in your name. All have sent this message. This is the letter from the heart to you. The flame must continue to burn and always be with us all the time. This is reference to Dadi Ji. So happy birthday to you. Happy Diwali.
Happy birthday Diwali, happy happy Diwali, 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 happy happy Diwali, happy happy Diwali, happy happy Diwali.
हैप्पी बर्थडे एंड हैप्पी दिवाली। आज दादी जी भी हमें याद आ रहे
Today
हैं।
we are remembering
अगर
Dadi Ji.
यहाँ होते
If she would have been
तो
here,
सचमुच आज
then
के
certainly
इस माहौल को और भी चार चांद लग जाते होते।
the gathering
लेकिन
would have
दादी
been
जी हमारे
even
साथ-साथ
more
हैं।
bright.
और एक बहुत अच्छी बात अभी मुझे
So,
नंजप्पा भाई ने सुनाई।
And just now,
दादी
Brother
जी का
Nanjappa has just
वैसे
mentioned
86वां birthday
this is
है,
her 86th
दादी
birthday.
तो दादी जानकी तो 90
So,
साल के लेकिन
Dadi Janki is 90
86
years
वर्ष के।
and
तो
Dadi
एक
Ji is
बहुत बड़ा
86
हार
years old.
बनाया है
So we have
86
made a very
flowers
big
का, जो
garland
खास
of 86
दादी जी को तो
flowers.
पहुंचा नहीं सके, परंतु
A
बाबा को
garland
जरूर
that
पहनाया है।
we
तो
could
आज जब
not
बाबा के कमरे में जाएंगे, यहाँ से आप
we
बाबा
could
के
not send
कमरे में
that to
जाएंगे,
Dadi Ji,
बहुत
but we
सुंदर
have given
हार,
it to
86 flowers
Baba.
का
This is a
को
very beautiful
पहनाया है।
garland of
और
86 flowers
flowers
that has
का
been
एक
placed in
बहुत बड़ा
Baba's room on
गुलदस्ता,
around Baba.
86 flowers का गुलदस्ता
And then
दादी जी
86
को कल
bouquets.
भेजा है।
Yesterday
तो
we
आज
sent
दादी जी को
86
मिल जाएगा
bouquets,
वहाँ
so
बॉम्बे में। तो
and
इसके लिए
she'll
भी
receive that today in Mumbai.
दादी जी को याद कर रहे
So we are
हैं।
remembering Dadi
अब
Ji,
हमारे बीच
and now in our
एक
midst
फ्लाइंग एंजल ग्रुप आ रहा है।
a flying
आज
angel group has
शांतिवन
come.
से
They have come
उड़ते
from
उड़ते ये
Shantivan.
flying angels
They came flying from
हमारे पास
Shantivan.
पहुंचे हैं।
These angels
ये
have
सब
come from there.
BK कॉलोनी की कुमारियां हैं।
These are the Kumaris
आप
of
सोच
BK
सकते हैं
colony.
BK
So you
कॉलोनी
can think
शांतिवन के
that
पास भी कितना बड़ा हो गया है,
that
जो
even the
वहाँ
BK
कुमारियां
colony near
सब
Shantivan
तैयार हो
has
गई और उन्होंने अपने
has
ग्रुप
also
का नाम
expanded
दिया
so
है
much, and
Flying Angel Group।
so now the
तो इस
Kumaris
ग्रुप
are
का भी
getting
हम
ready
स्वागत
even
करते हैं,
from there,
Flying Angel
and
Group।
they've called their group as Flying
और
Angels.
एक नृत्य आपके सामने प्रस्तुत
So they are
करेंगे
going to present a dance.
शिल्पा एंड
Sister Shilpa and her group. The Flying Angels from Shantivan.
वेदना
वेल डन, वेरी गुड। और हम सभी ने दिवाली के निमित्त बहुत सुंदर गीत सुना।
So we've heard a very
और जब
beautiful
दिवाली
song
आती है,
and a
चारों
dance
तरफ खुशहाली ही
on
होती
this
है।
occasion of
मन करता
Diwali.
है
So whenever Diwali comes,
आकाश में झूमे,
it seems
जहाँ
that
भी जाना
we
चाहे जा
we wish
सकते
to go
हैं।
to fly
और
to
अभी
the
आपके
skies. We
सामने आ
want to go
रही
to the
है
gardens.
अभिलाषा,
And
जो
now
आपके सामने एक दिवाली की सुंदर
someone
अभिलाषा
called
लिए हुए
Abhilasha.
पूरे गगन
Abhilasha
में घूम
means
रही है
the wish.
और कहती है,
She has
पंछी
come.
बन मस्त गगन में झूमूं। आ रही है अभिलाषा
So
और
now,
आपकी भावनाओं को लेकर
so
सारे
taking
विश्व के
your
अंदर और पूरे गगन में ये
secret
संदेश देंगी
hidden
कि
desires,
मधुबन
she's
के
taking
अंदर
that in
आज एक
Madhuban,
बहुत सुंदर दिवाली का उत्सव
that we are
बाप दादा और
celebrating a
दादियों
very
के संग
beautiful
हम मना रहे
scene
हैं। जोरदार
with
करताल
Bap
ध्वनि
Dada
से
and Dadis.
अभिलाषा डांस
So
प्रस्तुत करेंगी।
Abhilasha will present a dance on how to become a bird and fly freely in the skies and throughout the world.
पंछी बनूं उड़ती फिरूं मस्त गगन में
I'm like a bird.
मैं आजाद हूँ दुनिया के चमन में
I'm flying in the skies because I'm free,
बनूं उड़ती फिरूं
free from the bondage of this world.
आज मैं आजाद हूँ दुनिया के
I am free in this garden of the world. In my life, the day has dawned and the darkness of sorrow has been uplifted. It has been dispelled. So, I am singing in the green fields. Now nobody is guarding anyone, and now the seasons have filled me with color. I am free in this garden of the world. I am the bird flying in an intoxicated way in the garden of the world. This is my heart's wish, that I play with the seasons and play with the waves of the rivers. That I play with the sun, moon and stars and embrace the sky. That I move in my own way with no one to stop me. I am free, free in the garden of this world. I will drape myself with the clouds and wear the anklet of lightning. I will take the mascara of the dark clouds So in the heart there are waves in this cool breeze. I am free, free in this world.
पंछी बनूं उड़ती फिरूं मस्त गगन में आज मैं आजाद हूँ दुनिया के चमन में पंछी बनूं उड़ती फिरूं मस्त गगन में आज मैं आजाद हूँ दुनिया के चमन में
अभिलाषा बहुत ही प्यारी बहन
This
बहुत
is
बचपन
Sister
से ही
Abhilasha.
दादियों के संग पली
She has
है।
always
बहुत
been
ही
in the
प्यारी है।
company of daddies. A lovely soul.
अभी रानी बोल
Now we'd
हमारियों से
like to
जिन्होंने 70
listen to
साल
the
तपस्या
blessings
की है।
from our
तो सबसे
daddies.
पहले मैं निवेदन
So
करूंगी
first I would
रतन मोहिनी
request
दादी जी से
Sister
कि
Ratan
दो
Mohini
शब्द केवल वरदानी बोल
that she
के
gives us
हमें
2 words of blessings.
दादी रतन
Who
मोहिनी
have
जी।
spent, all the daddies have spent 17
और
years
उसके बाद
in this
मनोहर
yagya,
दादी जी केवल
and
दो
after
शब्द
that Manohar Dadi will give us 2
हाथ
words.
कमाई दो शब्द वरदानी बोल हम
So we will
सबके
listen to
लिए।
2 words of blessings for each one of us. So first
और
Dadi
उसके
Ratan
बाद
Mohini,
मनोहर
and
दादी
after
जी।
that
और
Manohar
दो
Dadi.
शब्द हम शांतामणि दादी से भी सुनना
We would
चाहेंगे।
also
सबकी
like to
इच्छा है ना
listen to
शांतामणि दादी
words
जी
from
से भी
Shantamani
सुने।
Dadi, isn't it? You all wish to listen from her as well?
केवल
Yes?
दो शब्द।
Okay, only 2 words. Just 2 words.
ओम शांति।
Om Shanti.
शिलू बहन कहती है 2 शब्द।
Shilu
ओम
Ben
शांति,
says,
2 शब्द।
just 2 words.
दो शब्द
Om
वरदानी
Shanti
बोल
means 2 words. Om Shanti, 2 words. Okay, then she says, Shilu Ben says, no, it's 2 words of blessings.
के बच्चे
Okay, the unlimited children of the unlimited Father.
शुभ दिवाली
On this occasion
हमें तो
of
वे
Diwali,
यादें आएंगी।
I will of course be reminded of those days
यज्ञ स्थापना
that
का दिन
that this is the day of establishment of the yagya,
में
and
दिवाली के दिन
in the yagya on this day of Diwali, when we
पहले अबू में आए
when we
हैं,
had come first of
तो
all in
मम्मा
our
पापा
birth,
के साथ
then we came with Mama and
दिवाली
Baba
मनाई थी,
and
और
celebrated
उन
our
दिनों
first
में
Diwali
दिवाली
with them,
में
and
मम्मा,
and
पापा
during those
दोनों
days,
को हम सजा सजा करके बिठाते
and we used to decorate Mama and
और
Baba.
वह सजावट
During those
तो आप
days,
लोग
We used to decorate
जान
them so well,
सकते
and you
हैं,
can
reality में
imagine. But really, this was
विश्व महारानी
in
लक्ष्मी
reality we used to
और विश्व
decorate
महाराजा
Mama as
तो आप
as
सोचो उसके
the
साथ
world
जब
Empress
आप लोग
Lakshmi,
बैठे होंगे,
and
और
Baba
फिर
was decorated as
हम
the
लोगों
world
को
Emperor
ऐसे
Narayan.
शहजादे शहजादियों की dresses पहना देते थे।
Then we used to sit in front of them, and they also used to dress us in as prince and princesses, and then we used to, it would appear as though we're sitting in a kingly court, in a royal court. So we used to think that this Diwali is really the day of coronation, and therefore the whole atmosphere was so royal, a royal court with Mama, Baba as the world emperor, world empress, and all of us sitting with her. Then the subtle plans would come, and then when Dadi Gulzar started coming to subtle, or when she started going to the subtle regions, and then those scenes started coming, then whatever she saw in the subtle regions and brought that message, we started enacting that over here. So whatever scene she saw as a trans messenger in the subtle regions, she would bring that message, and accordingly we used to make new dresses, because on Diwali we wear new clothes. So we used to wear new dress, and we used to do new dance, and we used to just, so it's not like that we can show you as to what quality of the dance used to be at that time. So those kind of dances that we have never seen these days, the disco dance is taking place, but really the subtle regions dance was something quite different, and it would seem as though we'd become angels and we had reached as angels to subtle regions. So Baba, on this day of Diwali, it certainly reminds us of those days, that how the Father has come in this conference age and has kindled the light of each one's lamp, and when this world changes and we go to the new world, when we will take the Satopradhan body in the golden age, and then becoming the ones who claim the right to rule, we, the prince and princesses, play with the world emperor and world empress. The Father says, always remember the Father and remember your unlimited inheritance. Then you will always be dancing in happiness, and your happiness will never go away. It will never be lost. And that is why I say ever happy Diwali. Om Shanti.
आज तो हम कहेंगे कि दादी रतन मोहिनी जी के तरफ से
So today we'll say that,
मधुबन में निमंत्रण मिला है.
so on behalf of Dadi Ratnamoni, you have all been invited to Madhuban. So all the brothers from Gyan Sarovar and Shantivan. And now on behalf of Gyan Sarovar, first Manohar Dadi will speak. So on behalf of Gyan Sarovar, she is also inviting you that this evening we'll be celebrating Diwali in Gyan Sarovar. So in the evening today we will all be going to Gyan Sarovar, and everybody is invited for dinner over there, which includes Madhuban Nivasis, and whosoever will go to Gyan Sarovar for the celebration of Diwali this evening. So Manohar Dadi extends an open invitation to all of you. So dinner is in Gyan Sarovar, breakfast is in Madhuban. Okay. Now breakfast for all has been arranged in Madhuban. So breakfast is from Madhuban, and Dadi Ratnamoni extends the cordial invitation to you to have breakfast, to all of you to have breakfast here in Madhuban. So we will also listen from Shantamani Dadi, but first let us hear from Dadi Manohar. Dadi Manohar says, this is Bap Dada's home, Panda Bhavan, and Mama, Baba has sustained everyone over here. So this is the oldest home. This is our Panda Bhavan. So now let us listen to Manohar Dadi. Our Shilu sister is very sweet. She said that everybody should speak 2 words, and I am thinking, which will be those 2 words that I have to say? Om Shanti. I should also answer, but there is zeal and enthusiasm in the heart. Oh, the balloons have also resonated and are applauding on this day of Diwali, and they are also giving their blessings, I think. And 2 balloons have spontaneously burst themselves. Okay. So, looking at all of you, we are extremely pleased. This is that one conference age where so many Brahmins, one wonders from where they have come. Even she doesn't know from where you have all come from, but you are such special Baba's children, such Brahmin souls, and you have come here to celebrate the occasion of Diwali in Baba's home. Looking at you, I am very, very pleased and greet you immensely. Okay. And now we'd like to hear 2 words from Dadi Shantamani, whom you know is now in Shantivan.
Om Shanti.
Om Shanti. All of you say with great love, Om Shanti. How fortunate are we that? How fortunate are we that? You're not saying how fortunate you are. That we are so close to Bap Dada. We are lucky children. We are a few of the multi-millions who have recognized Bap Dada. Baba says always take the nourishment of happiness. Do you eat that? Do you take that nourishment of happiness? Those who take that nourishment of happiness, raise your hands. All of you? Yes, okay. Always remain happy. Continue to take this nourishment of happiness, continue to sing and dance, and continue to smile happily. And let us dance away from Confluence Age to the Golden Age. How long do you think it'll take? How much of time remains? Bap Dada is standing with open arms, and he says, "Come, sweet children, come." He is waiting for us in the subtle regions. And when will we go? All of us will go? Yes? We will all go? Yes? Say something? All are ready. Okay? Om Shanti. And now we listen from Brother Karuna on behalf of all the brothers.
Om Shanti.
Om Shanti.
आप सभी कहाँ बैठे हैं?
Where are you sitting? You're all sitting in Pandav Bhavan. Madhuban and Pandav Bhavan. We have been listening these two names right from the beginning, from Baba. Ever since the time Baba established Pandav Bhavan, from that time we have been with Dadis. We were a few Pandavas in the beginning, but from the time Pandav Bhavan started functioning, the Pandavs' service started from this land, that which is called Gyan Sarovar, Shantivan. They are all our companions. Just as Dadi Ratmoyini mentioned how they decorated Mama and Baba, in the same way, we with Dadi till today here have been celebrating Diwali. And our brother Nirvair, I remember him, he too, he never used to miss Diwali. So he especially phoned this morning and has greeted each one of you. And on behalf of Dadis have of course have also greeted you. So today is that special day. It is the day of the coronation day. So it is a day of memorial. Also all of us are Pandavas, or should we say that we are Shaktis. So now we have to prepare ourselves. Now we are preparing ourselves for the kingdom, which we think rightly. When I heard this from Dadi Janki in London, Dadi Janki had just returned from the hospital, and we were extremely pleased to see her. And in the very first class that she conducted over there, then Dadi just uttered one word, and she said that now this Confluence Age is also coming to an end. And sometimes I have seen many a times, it's from her mouth sometimes, whatever has to be done, whatever scenes have to be seen, whatever Baba used to see, what we used to see Baba having visions. In the same way, we are seeing that Dadis are now getting the scenes of the world to come. So I think that all our brothers and sisters, that we'll also make it firm within ourselves that in our one eye should look at that land of liberation, and the second eye is looking at our golden aged world. So let us make this promise with ourselves on this Diwali. Om Shanti.
Thank you, Karuna Bhai.
Thank you, Brother Karuna. And now, on behalf of all the double foreigners, but Dadi Janki has taken, but Dadi Janki is the master, and she would like to. Brother Karuna says that we are now seeing the visions. We are seeing that the entire service which is taking place, that Who is establishing this golden aged world? Who is establishing that?
हम ही तो कर रहे हैं, बाबा
We
कर
are
रहा है।
we are doing it, but Baba is getting it done. How will that golden age be like? We are experiencing that now.
विशेषण दादा,
Brother
सत्युग
Vishwarata,
कैसा होगा?
how will
आप
that
भी
golden
अनुभव करें,
age be?
सत्युग में तो बैठे
Please,
हो। अरे,
you are already sitting in golden
संगम
age.
युग ऐसा है,
This is such a conference age. It is such a short interval, but it is the most elevated time.
प्यारा है।
It is such a lovely age.
संगम को
We
प्यार करके,
give so
संगम
much
को
of
प्यार
love to
करके,
Baba,
स्वयं को प्यार करके,
and
स्वयं को प्यार
we
करके, आपको
give
प्यार
love to
करें।
ourselves, and
कितने को
then
प्यार करें?
so how many should we
आप
love?
सबको प्यार करें,
Should we love
संगम
all of
समय को
you?
प्यार करें,
Should we love the
स्वयं
conference
को
age?
करें,
Should
या
we
बाबा
love
को
the
करें?
self, or should we love Baba? What should we
पहले
do?
किसको करें?
Whom should we love first?
बाबा कहता है,
Baba
स्वयं
says,
को प्यार कर।
have love for the
समय कहता है,
time.
स्वयं को प्यार कर।
And time says, have love for yourself. And then the self says, love everyone. And then the golden age sanskars will emerge even now. They will not come later. They are going to be emerged now. So this is my pure feeling. Karnabai has given incomplete thing. There's another thing to be added. So I have this thought within me.
मैंने कहा,
I said,
वास्तव में मेरे को इतनी अच्छी बात लगती है संगम पर।
I really like this conference age.
संस्कार बाबा हम बचपन
Baba
ऐसे
is
भर रहा है,
filling us
सारी
with
कारोबार
such
ऐसी चल रही है।
sanskar. This whole work is being done in such a way.
चलने साथ जो कारोबार चलेगी ना,
So all this administration that's taking
आप ही
place,
चलता रहेगा ना।
it will just go on functioning smoothly, just like this. Dadi ji is sitting, she's sitting and she's smiling and everything is just going smooth. Baba is standing and Mama is standing. It's going well. This work of establishment, and I remember that there's not a single moment through the whole day that we have not remembered that moment of destruction. One who remembers that moment of destruction, that one is the victorious soul, that one has a loveful intellect, because everything of the old world is already destroyed. Because before that, what are we and what are we doing? So, on this day of Diwali, Baba gives you that understanding as to what are you really doing. You are establishing the golden age. So, I have to say that when I'm on service, that I am a detached observer. The golden age is getting established. Go to the kitchen, go here, go there. Brother Chandras Bhai, how is this work of construction taking place? It's just happening automatically. Everything is just happening naturally. We don't have to say anything to anyone. So, I would like to say just three things. That whatever you wish to say, let us say that. Baba says, speak less, but I say whatever you have to say, just say it. So those three things are, one is to surrender. So if you have to follow the Father, that means to surrender. Leave this me, mine. This is surrender. And even in this surrender, so in this surrender, there's a difference between, some say one has surrendered and one says we have sacrificed ourselves. So when you have surrendered, it means that you have escaped from Maya and you have taken refuge in Baba's home. And that is why one has surrendered. But that is not really surrendered completely. That is, one has sacrificed oneself completely. And the true surrender is the one in that whose each breath, each thought and each moment is used in a worthwhile way. It is made successful. So this is the... So Dadi Shantamani asked you, do you take the nourishment of happiness? How will they take that nourishment of happiness till they make each moment useful and use it in a worthwhile way and successful? Okay? I had to take this. I had to intercept and speak my words, but don't mind. Okay. And now we will listen to Sister Sudesh on behalf of the double foreigners.
Happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali.
इस सभा को देखते
looking at this gathering,
चैतन्य दीपराज की
I'm looking
दीपरानियों की
at this
सुंदर
living
सभा।
lamps,
ये दीपक जगे हैं
living lamps who are like kings and living lamps who are like queens. This
संकल्प में बाबा ने
Baba had
हम
this
सब
thought.
के अंदर जान भरी सभ्य देश वालों को।
Baba filled us with life
अव्यक्त
through
होकर
thought,
के
and then when he became
आत्मा
Avyakt,
की लाइट तो तभी जला ली।
he kindled the light of our
अव्यक्त
soul,
वतन में फिर जाकर
and then
के
he went to
हम
the
सब
subtle
जो भी
regions,
विदेश वाले बाबा के पूजे
and
हैं,
we, the double foreigner
उनको
children of
अव्यक्त
Baba,
स्थिति में अव्यक्ति फॉर्म की न्यू ड्रेस दी।
he gave us the Avyakt
इसीलिए
dress of these subtle
विदेश
regions.
में फरिश्ते यादगार हैं।
That is why
तो जिस समय भी दिवाली होती है भारत
abroad
में भी दीवे तो
angels
जगते
are
हैं,
remembered. In
परंतु
Bharat we
फरिश्तों की
light
पूरी body light
the
है।
candles, but the
तो ये
angels,
सब
their
light की
whole
body
body
बनने
is of
वाले
light. So
अव्यक्त
you are
बाप
those
दादा की
who have
मिली
bodies of
light
light. You have
ऐसी
got this
दिवाली
light
मना
from
रहे हैं,
Avyakt
जो फिर इस
Bapdada,
light की body से ही
that through this
सतयुग
body
में
of light you
light
will
और
go
might का crown
in
लेकर
the
के
golden age and take the
भारत
crown
में
of light
विश्व
and
भर में
might,
राज
and
करेंगे।
you
जो
will
light
rule
की
in
दुनिया
Bharat,
होगी, purity,
in the whole
peace,
world, and there'll be
prosperity की दुनिया
purity,
होगी,
peace and
ताजपोशी
purity,
की दुनिया
the
होगी।
world of
ऐसी
crown.
दुनिया की
So,
बधाई आप सबको।
so once again, greetings for
लक्ष्मी
such a
बनने की
world.
बधाई,
To the
विजय
greetings
लक्ष्मी बनने की बधाई,
for becoming Lakshmi,
महालक्ष्मी बनने की
becoming
बधाई और धन लक्ष्मी
greetings,
बनने की बधाई।
greetings
धन्य
for
धन्य
being
आप
the
सब।
victorious Lakshmi, greetings for becoming the goddess of wealth.
तो आप सबको बधाइयाँ मिली, खुशी के वरदान मिले और अब कैंडल लाइटिंग सेरेमनी होगा। मैं निवेदन करूंगी जो भी मंच पर उपस्थित हमारे वरिष्ठ भाई बहनें हैं वे कृपया आगे आएं। वे सभी कैंडल लाइटिंग करेंगे। दीपावली दीपकों का त्योहार है और दीपक जलाए बिना दिवाली पूरी नहीं होती। तो मैं दादी जानकी, रतन मुनि दादी, सब दादियाँ, सभी भाई बहनें और साथ में मैं निमंत्रण दे रही हूँ। आई इनवाइट ब्रदर एंथनी, सिस्टर मोरनी, ब्रदर डेविड गुडमैन, ब्रदर जूलियन, सिस्टर मार्गरेट, मनविंदर भाई, प्रवीणा बहन, लीला बहन, हंसा बहन, लंदन। कृपया आप भी आ जाएं। ब्रदर गोलो, प्लीज कम ऑन द स्टेज। आप सबको इस खुशी में 7 प्रकार के वड़े मिलेंगे। ये टोली सभा में बांट रहे हैं। ब्रदर जो माइकल, प्लीज कम ऑन द स्टेज। जो माइकल फ्रैंक ऑल्सो कम ऑन द स्टेज। हम सब करतल ध्वनि से अपनी खुशी प्रकट करते रहेंगे। लेट अस कीप क्लैपिंग। दैट विल बी पार्ट ऑफ योर कैंडल लाइटिंग। Wishes to dance? Sister Chandra, Sister Sharona, please come. Sister Moira, please, will you like to light a candle? आप सभी को ये 7 प्रकार का वड़ा मिल रहा है। जब दादी जी तो अपने हस्तों से बांटते थे, लेकिन अभी काफ़ी समय हो गया है, बहुत बड़ी सभा है, इसलिए वो तो नहीं करेंगे। आप सभी को आपके ही स्थान पर आपको ये 7 प्रकार के वड़े हैं। ये दीपावली की विशेष टोली है जो सबको बांट रहे हैं। सभी अपनी अपनी जगह पर बैठे रहेंगे। प्लीज कीप सिटिंग, यू आर ऑल गेटिंग टोली। और today's program I will quickly announce at 10:30 all the double foreigners have to come back to Om Shanti Bhavan, where first of all Meera Ben will meet all double foreigners, and then Dadi Janki is going to meet all the double foreigners, and a special gift for all of you. So no double foreigners should miss. After breakfast you will all come back at 10:30 to Om Shanti Bhavan. And if anybody wants to give anything to Dadi, you are most welcome to come on the stage. Come at 10 o'clock in the History Hall to give your items. And now please be seated. You are getting toli. If you want to give anything to Dadi ji, then please form a line and you can come on the stage. Otherwise, please keep sitting.